everyone, Crafting Vicky here with you, and I'm so excited. I had to do a special video for this, and so you can see my face at the same time as I present to you what I've done. So if you follow me on Instagram or on my Facebook page, you will have seen that I was making little zines. So these are the little zines I've been making, and these have been made out of a scrapbooking sheet of paper like this. I also have little ephemera packs that have been made, and so the little zine come with the ephemera pack. And the special thing with this is that I've done a class, two classes actually. So one sharing with you how I transformed this sheet of paper into little zines like this. So I share with you a link to this video so that you'll be able to see it. And I have another video where I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I transformed the little zine into the finished piece. And the video that I'm making is using all the pieces that have been used that are provided in one of the ephemera packs. And you still have a lot of ephemera once you've done this little zine, so you can do multiple little zines and just have fun with it. So I'm very, very excited to share this with you. I'm hoping that this is something you like. There's 20 of them. So once they're gone, that's it. There's no more. The little zines, they measure 3 by 3 once they're complete. And so basically the listing will be of one zine with one ephemera pack. It could be any of the zines. They're all in the same color. So there won't be specific listing to specific things, so you cannot choose like which of the ephemera packs. It's just going to come as a mystery. But like I said, you're going to have one of the two. These ephemera packs have been made with also some scrapbooking paper that I've distressed and done all sorts of painting on it. I've also stitched pockets to include some ephemera. So there's 30 pieces of ephemera, and when I say 30 pieces, that means that there's if there's multiple, like for example, there's some stamps, there's 2 stamps, so that counts as one ephemera piece. So you've got at least 30 pieces, and it also includes, I know that there's a lot of people that are always asking me what this is that I use all the time. So there's a little piece of punchinella that's also included in this. So there's all sorts of goodies. There's some of my washi tape that I've put on a playing card. It's full of also all sorts of little things. You've got 2 little glassine envelopes, one tiny one and one bigger one. So I'm hoping that this is, like I said, something that you'll like. They're listed for $15 on my Etsy store. And this includes the little zine, the little ephemera pack, as well as the 2 extra videos that I'm going to be sending you links for. I wanted to keep the shipping very, very low, which is why this will not be wrapped in tissue paper. Usually I always wrap my stuff in tissue paper, but this barely fits in the regular size bubble envelope. So it is going to be in a bubble envelope, but I cannot wrap it because otherwise it's not going to fit in a regular size. So the shipping for these are going to be $2 for Canadian orders, $3.50 for US, and $6.50 for international. So I think it's a really, really good deal. And like I said, once the 20 are gone, they're gone. That's it. That's all. I don't have any more. So I'm hoping that this is something that's going to excite you as much as it excited me to make for you guys and to do this little class. I've never done a class before like this. So I'm very excited to see what the response is going to be and if people are going to be excited. I tried to keep the cost very low so that as many people can get it, which is why I tried to keep the shipping really, really low cost. So that's it. I hope you like it, guys. The link to the product in the Etsy store is going to be down below, and I hope you get one if you're interested. Love you guys. See you soon.